Wow, what a Monday. So, almost got into a fist fight over the remaining inventory of those new Dii3300.1s. So apparently I didn't see them back there, but inventory says that there's there's 4 pieces left of the Dii 3300.1, and they just got to make the website. They got to update the website for the pricing. What I would do if I were you is call Recoil and just give them credit card over the phone or something like that. So just because it's not even worth the effort to turn the website on for 4 pieces. So if you want those, you're going to pay $220 or whatever's on the website. I had inventory order another 60 pieces for now, even though there should be a lot more. If you guys want more, you got to let them know. So especially at that price. But oh, this guy, boy, a Jeep person driving too fast? No way. No way. Power lesbians. But I don't know how to, emphasize to you guys that when I make these offers to you guys, take them. Take them. I don't know what to tell you. And if you have, if you kind of whine or you're a little crybaby or whatever, tough shit. Sorry. And I'm not really sorry. That's just the way it goes. I'm sorry you're dumb. Try not to be so dumb. Other than that, though, Monday has just been really crazy with people just kind of going bonkers. I think it was all that fucking St. Patty's shit. Just the world's excuse to go get hammered. Maybe everybody's, I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead, I gotta head home right now. I didn't even have time for breakfast or lunch this morning. I gotta head home right now and finish the reviews and a bunch of subwoofers that we got going. Again, follow the instructions, follow what I say, which is text direct 602-312-6504 with your name and your full shipping address. And it has to be a shipping address, not a fucking P.O. box, none of that bullshit. And then I can help you. And then also sometimes I get busy and you may have to remind me or just text me. Do not call, do not call, do not call. Do you understand that? Do not call. What was that? Do not call. Please text. I don't have time for this shit. So other than that, though, I love you guys, and the clouds are beautiful. Look at that. So, but I got a bunch of people that I'm helping, and I still got more packages. I dropped off 20 packages this morning right now to Recoil, and then I got to go home and pack a bunch more and get more stuff out tonight. So I can always hit the distributor one, but I come here and I get the deposit, and I also drop off money for deposit, and so that's just part of the gig that I got. But I love you guys, and again, if you see something online or whatever, one of the social media platforms, just fucking text me. What is it? Fucking buy it. Just shut up and buy it. Don't keep it for yourself. Definitely flip it. Make some money. That's what I want you to do. Because if you're not making money, you're just kind of like. I don't want to put you down, right? Because people that think that I put them down for just consuming, you're like, oh, you shouldn't talk that way to customers. I'm like, don't be a dumb customer, dude. Be a fucking reseller. Be a pimp. Don't be a fucking John. I don't got time for Johns. I only got time for hoes and other pimps. That's it. I love you guys.